Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this laptop right in front of us. So we have a Lenovo laptop that we're gonna unbox, and yeah, let's get into the video right now. So as you can see, the presentation is really simple. You just have a little sticker. I don't even know why that is there. The order was purchased placed on Amazon, so Amazon US, and here we have the box itself, and this is how simple it was presented. And it's not the fancy kind of MacBook presentation. It came in a cardboard box with Lenovo written on it. So I'm just trying to open and get the product out of the case itself. So now we're removing the charger first. So as you can see, that is right there. And so this is the Lenovo fast charger that is included with the whole box. So you have that there, and let's just put that away and get the laptop outside. So here we have the laptop itself. It looks really sleek, and it has a gray tinted silver color. So it's really fascinating to see that in a product, and that too, this thing is not cheap. So we expect good quality materials. It's pretty lightweight, which is surprising, and it's easy to transport. Here we have the manuals and the warranty card, I guess. I'm not sure. So yeah, exactly, safety and warranty guide, that is included, and we can keep that aside. Now let's take out the product from the protection casing. So that was very well inserted. The only part was about the satisfying unboxing, which wasn't right, was the pulling out of the laptop. It wasn't that of a good experience, but it felt cheap for some reason. But anyways, let's get into opening of the laptop. Here we have it. Inside we have services, Lenovo services. So here you're seeing the Lenovo Ideapad 3 and on screen. So these are the stuff that comes with it. So let's go ahead and open. I guess it has no charge because it's not opening up, and it has, the camera is surprisingly has a privacy shutter. So what it basically does is you can close that shutter so that you don't have when you're not using the camera will go black. So if anyone hacks your system, they're not going to see you when the camera is not on. So you just can pull it on and off. So that's really useful and a nice little touch to see on laptops these days. And it's a sleek design, it's a slim design, and I like how the whole body is made with gray tint, and you see the Lenovo logo on the sides for instead of being in the center like Dell or HP. So that's a cool little touch. The keys feel really premium, and we have some key specifications on the left of the mouse pad, the trackpad, exactly. The trackpad felt a bit rough, but it's really cool, and it's not booting up. Exactly. So since it's not booting up, we can assume that it doesn't have any charge left inside. So what we're gonna do is plug it in charge and wait for it to boot up so that I can set it up and do the review video, which is probably coming soon in the channels.